Hi, this is Lego Build with 4. Today I'm going to show you how to build this well. I'm going to take a second to take it apart, and then I'm going to show you how to build it. I'm going to try to build it fast because this iPad's running out of battery. I've been using a phone past few times, so, well, my mom needed her phone because it was her phone. Now I'm using her iPad and trying to get it one of these things away off the platform. Okay. Let's get on. Take 1x2s and then take 2 of these big 2 slopes or something like that. Put it, for the main piece you need the 6x8. So look, take this, put one of the G slopes here, one there, so it looks like that. Like, no! And then, we have four apart. Take just 2 regulars. Take 2 of the same things, but don't add them to 1x2s. Do the same thing. So you've got it like this. Then take this piece of like 1x4, 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 and place it right in the middle. It should have a nice fit. Then take 6 of these 2x2 upward slopes, put it all around here.
So if it wasn't an audiobook you were listening to that we have, how were you listening to it? How were you?
Well, oh, here we go.
I don't think it was this plan.
Okay, so now that you have it something like this, take 2 of these corner plates and put them here, leaving one spot open. If you have a 2x2 plate, use that, but I do not. So then take the 2x4 and another 2x4, so it's like this, leaving spot here, spot here. Then take another one of these 1x4, 1x4, 1x4s and put it there. You are almost done with our build. Then take these 1x2s and put it all around. Take 6 of them and do it all around. Just like we did it on the bottom with the 1x2s. 2x2s. Now take 2 of these, take 2 griller plates, put them on the sides like that. Then take some blue pieces. I'm just using all tiles. I'm using 2x3 tiles, and this piece we used. And that's your water in the fountain. Here. Do you see water? Nah, sorry. The water in the fountain keeps coming up. Look. You see it now? I bet you do. And that is the end of our build. I hope you like it. And yeah. See you in my next build. Bye. Thanks for watching. I liked very much food.